How to use Lovable with the local development environment. So in order to do that, head over to lovable.dev. And then from in there, just locate in here the project that you wish to actually edit using your local environment. For example, let's choose in here this one. You can head over and click on that particular project and it will open right here. Now in here, in order to edit it, you can just click onto this GitHub option. Then in there, you can actually access your GitHub by clicking onto this link and you can see the repository that we have created using this project. So you can choose in here the code option and then head over and open this using particular integrated development environment like VS Code, WebStorm, Cursor, as well as other options. So for example, on my case, let me head over and then just use the VS Code. You can click on this edit in VS Code, and then from in there, it should be able to set up our web editor. And it should be able to open this onto that. You can see it right here. So make sure that the extension is also allowed. Be sure to click onto this right here and choose in here your account. And then from in there, it should be able to load your repository. You can head over and open a particular file and then edit it however you want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.